we don't with you, you don't with us. All of that, you know what I'm saying? And you can print my name on this, Mr. X to the Z exhibit. Yo, man, on Bar Radio, 93.5 KD, Mr. Criminal, any shout out?
Shout to all my Latinos in the struggle.
The U.S. has become a dumping ground for everybody else's problems. Thank you. It's true. And these are the best and the finest. When Mexico sends its people, they're not sending their best. They're not sending you. They're not sending you. They're sending people that have lots of problems, and they're bringing those problems with us. They're bringing drugs, they're bringing crime, they're rapists, and some, I assume, are good people. But I speak to border guards, and they tell us what we're getting. And it only makes common sense. It only makes common sense. They're sending us not the right people. It's coming from more than Mexico. It's coming from all over South and Latin America, and it's coming probably from the Middle East. But we don't know, because we have protection and we have no competence. We don't know what's happening.
Motherfuckers don't want to support us, want us begging for quarters, only want us to follow their orders, kick us back across borders into this punk named Donald. Racist all on the subject, racist piece of shit, really just a government puppet. Fuck Trump, fucking chump, wanna speak on my people. Everything you stand for, see through, make them feeling illegal. Descended, I meant it when I first said fuck you. What if I was a brown Republican? It's something I must do, so fuck you, your mama too. While we're at it, Obama too. All your hotels get clean and serviced by who? That's right, so shut your white ass mouth and fuck a minute, man, too. Time to wipe prejudice out, so put your brown fist up, hold it high in the sky and put them right in the scope and give that trigger a try. I'm not the type to advocate violence, but on this point I won't be sided to this racist ass redneck pimp. I won't keep quiet, so shut your fucking mouth before a brown skin, bald head, this other side, Hispanic from California takes you out. Just really get driven up off of a dry, I'll make it rain on them. You see this fake ass Donald Trump, then homies bang on them, slang on them, write your name on them with the Spanish last name, carve it all on his back and take a picture for fame. I can see my name, Garcia Spray, bleeding off the freckles on his back. All my hint that know we're under attack, so lock it low, put a bullet in that chamber, let this Freemason know we ain't fearing the danger or the chip they try to imply. That's why you see the pyramid and an all-seeing eye, drones flying through the sky, and now it's turned to this. Fast kissing on my TV, and now we got this Donald Trump faggot talking greasy. Believe me, it's time to put the target on him. Pull out that cuerno de chivo if you close, spark it on. You ever stop and thought about that struggling woman who tries her best to make it daddy, but she still can't do what she wants? The blocks, the gunshots, trying to find a job, but there's a million just like her. So now it's getting hard. She does everything she can, but now she's losing weight, but she got a baby in her belly from when she was raped. You see it in my somehow, some way there has to be an escape. So she sleeps on the desert floor, looking at the gate. Just one chance, don't look back, running across the train tracks to a bright new future. And you trying to change that? I don't agree. You see, there's a gang that's just like me, that their parents came illegally, but now it just seems to me you're trying to catch the vote of the racist Republicans, but you didn't.